So welcome to this Solidworks video by Val Connell. Okay, so why you should watch this video is to learn how to save multiple bodies into one part file. So say you wanted to do that for whatever reason. It's not save bodies tool won't work because it does a part file for each individual body. Insert part is not the one you want either because that puts a part into a part. So what you want to do is go over to the solid bodies, all right, in the folder, right click not add into folder. Um, so right click, insert into new part, clear the selection here. All right, select the solid bodies that you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Propagate your visual pattern 3 dots here. Okay, give it a name. Click OK. So click yes there. Now, then you have the part there, okay, with those components in it. Save your part file. Okay, and you need to keep, okay, if you're handing in the project for an exam or anything, for any college course, right, you need to keep the original part file that was used to create this, right? So you need to keep that. That needs to be handed up. Okay, if you were doing a DCG project in Ireland for your Leaving Cert, at the moment here in 2025, the max number of parts at higher level is 10. So you can't, alright, you have to hand in this original part plus 9 other parts as the maximum, or the minimum would be 4 other parts. That gets your total of max 10, min 5. Right, thanks for watching, and the next video you could watch is on multi-body assembly.